Hey also, in this video, we will be building a fitness-based LLM chatbot on Telegram system. What it will do is ask users a bunch of questions, take input, and then finally provide a generative, customized fitness plan as well as diet plan. So what are the prerequisites to get started with this project? First is very simple and open source LLM API. Second one is you will need a Telegram API. Let's actually understand the use case behind it. So the current landscape of fitness apps as well as chatbots lack a customized and dynamic fitness plan. This project aims to develop an intelligent Telegram bot that leverages a large language model to create customized workout as well as diet plans based on the user's input. So the objective from this project is we want to collect the user's preference, such as their expectations from the fitness plan, what are their fitness goals, meal consumption pattern. And finally, we want to generate an adaptive fitness plan that they could adjust and tweak by themselves. We also would like to continuously improve and truly understand their fitness goals. So there are mainly three components. Number one is the conversational bot interface that we will be using on Telegram itself. And number two is using the LLM API for generating the fitness plan. Finally, in the upcoming versions, we will be taking user feedback and enhancing it further. So here is the project README file. So getting started, these are the steps that you need to follow. First, clone this repository. You just have to create your own virtual environment and install this requirements.txt file. The next step that you have to do is create a Telegram bot. It is very simple. All you have to do is go to your Telegram and search for bot father. You just want to type /new bot and it will create the new bot. The bot is up and running. Now you just have to copy this token, tele_API_token, and paste it here. And next step, we want to get the Groq API, console.groq.com.
So all we are doing is importing necessary libraries such as Telebot library for interacting with Python and Groq client for interacting with the LLM API. We'll be setting up logging as well as Groq and Telebot clients for interacting with the backend API. We'll also use a dictionary to store user information all the way from user's age to his or her dietary preferences. For send welcome function, we will take the help and start command to initiate the conversation with the user. And finally, we will take the stop command to end the conversation and reset the user's data. Subsequently, functions are defined to process each step of user information collection, and at each function, we will log the current step and user input, validate the input, register the new step handler, and handle the /start and /stop commands to restart or stop the conversation. Finally, we'll arrive at the generate fitness plan function, which constructs a prompt from the collected user information, sends the prompt to the Groq API to generate a fitness plan, sends the generated plan back to the user using Telegram, and finally logs the entire process and handles the errors. I've added an additional functionality to the chatbot where it will send daily updates and reminders to the user about their fitness and diet plan. You may set up daily or weekly reminders, but for the sake of this demo, I have set every second wise reminder so that it will just spam us all the fitness plans. Now just run the Python file and message /start to your fitness bot. It will initiate the conversation and you can start and provide it the necessary details that it needs. It will ask you your age, gender, height, weight, food allergies, what is your fitness goal, and how many meals do you want to have per day, and take all of them into consideration and prepare a prompt that will encapsulate user details and preferences and generate a customized fitness as well as diet plan. To compare and contrast between its fitness plans, I have put up my fitness plan on the left and another user persona's fitness plan to the right. You can clearly see the differences and nuances by yourself. Let's take a look at our scheduling functionality that can provide daily, weekly, monthly, or even hourly updates to the user. Now notice as soon as the user finishes up filling all the necessary details, the Telegram bot will start sending updates and generate new fitness and diet plan for the user. How we can further improve and build on top of this chatbot is we can add food image processing capabilities so that whenever a user uploads his meals picture, it will capture it and adapt the generated output itself. Also, we can integrate this with Apple or Samsung Health apps to track calories and sleep, which will further enhance this chatbot and help it generate more comprehensive and adaptive fitness and diet plans.